Hi everybody, Heather here with Dwell Denver Real Estate. Today's subject of life in Denver is how to survive a Red Rocks concert when there's rain in the forecast.
So I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
One of the coolest things about living in Denver is having access to this amazing venue. Tonight we're here to see one of our absolute favorite bands, Nathaniel Rateliff and the Night Sweats. We've probably seen them here 3 times, maybe 4. They're fantastic. Anyway, what you need to know to bring with you, you'll see I have a bag here. One thing is a selfie stick, and what I just found out is you're not allowed to bring them. But you definitely want to pack layers. So grab a hat, grab something warm because the temperature can drop really quickly, and make sure you have plenty of Gore-Tex and waterproof stuff. Not only jackets, enough for everybody in your group,
I've been moving all around the world, looking for something that's behind your door. You were lying on your bedroom floor.
I have stood out here in a Heart concert while rain poured on me and down into my boots because I had no rain stuff on. So the other crazy thing is that they won't cancel a concert because of weather, almost never. So just come prepared, you'll have a great time. I encourage you to come out and try a concert at Red Rocks.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Hey friends, we made it in! Woo! Woo! Great seats, still, so far, no rain.
Fingers crossed.
I've been moving all around the world, looking for something that's behind your door. You were lying on your bedroom floor. I was on my way, I was coming home. In my mind, I only see one way. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Baby, where are you going? Why don't you stay by me now? Wait, wait, wait a moment while I clean my hands, yeah. Baby, where are you going? Why don't you stay by me now? Wait, wait, wait a moment while I clean my hands, yeah. Baby, where are you going? Why don't you stand by me now? Wait, wait, wait a moment while I clean my hands up. I've been moving all around the world, looking for something that's behind your door. You were lying on your bedroom floor. I was on my way, I was on my way. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
All right, friends, end of the show, no rain, but over preparation is better than no preparation. It was fantastic.
That's a wrap.